I think we are live. Yep. Is there any way to is there any way we can enable sound for message? Yeah. Oh, how do we get this thing? Okay, we won't be able to access Reddit for 1.5 hours. So what do? We need to rely on live stream alerts on for Twitch, YouTube. Yeah, that is it. What if I try m.reddit? Wait a second. Whoa. Is there a mobile? No, they redirect to the How do I enable chat sound? Beeping sound enables me to answer the chat and respond immediately before it scrolls out of view. I missed an important message in my chat. I was sad about that. I watched my word back and they did not say long as I did not respond to them. Can't believe it don't exist. Oh, it doesn't exist? Streamlabs has this already. Okay, that's good. I realize this is not something the top streamers want, but it's a constant request by new streamers. Yeah, exactly. 2020 so far nothing. Can't believe 2020. Okay, I think. Let me look at the Streamlab. I think I need to reduce the audio sound. Where is the audio sound? Yep. So how do I enable chat box? Okay, chatter source. Let me show you this. Visual settings. That short top coin holder badge enable. This is visual. Font settings. That's font. Chatter. Hide comments at post. Hide command starting. Source. No. You don't have sound. Streamlab sound. Chat box sound. It's called chat box, right? Yeah, chat box. Sound notification for chat. I think the built-in Streamlab chat box doesn't have this sound feature, I think we'll have to rely on any other chat box plugin, chat box plugins. Yeah, for now it's not a problem for us, but we'll look into that later. All right, so we need to fix the partition issue. So in some devices the partition is different. For example, in OnePlus 6, which my daily drive. Okay, wait a second. No. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, OnePlus 6. It doesn't have this system as the mount point, I guess. Not sure, but so that we need to find the path dynamically. So from the file. So in here in addaway they use this method to find the partition dynamically. So I might be doing the same. Let private fun. So to get the mount points, we need to use this command and call exec on that, and then they are getting the result. Yeah. So mount points, mounts, let's call that. Then out is string out for this. Yep. think it should be, yeah, should be here, or I think it should be here. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Did it sleep? Huh? Come on, come on. Oh, it's not waking up. We will have to restart it again. Alright, it's up and running. Now let's first uninstall the app. I think it's uninstalled. Yeah, it's uninstalled. Now we need to check the log for this particular line. Yep. Okay, wrong device. Oh, wait. Find partition is, I think it didn't work as we expected. Mount. Hold on a second. We have system, right? But why it didn't stop at system? It breaks here. Yeah. Oh, we need to break the while loop. Or I think it is it should be returned here. Yeah. Yep. Should be mount return. Should be here. You might also log this. Yeah, that should work. Uh, yep, that was a timeout. But let's see what it finds. Yep, that's correct. Now I want to try with my device, the real device up here, but if I switch app, the cam streaming will stop. So I'll try that later sometime. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, the commit failed, I guess. Yep. Okay. We have a format issue. What's the issue here? Maybe I need to turn on this tag trace. Would that help? The project builds, but for some reason we are getting an issue with the app runs, but why it fails? Oh, we don't have Kotlin format. That's right. Maybe we need to try this. F stands for format, I guess. Now, yeah, I think we fixed that, and we are good to go with the commit. Fix mount path issue. Yep. Let's push it. All right. Okay. Trello. So subdomain map, that's under to be that I need to think about. Do we need a subdomain map? Probably. Yeah, that'll be there in pending. We will think about that later sometime. Now let's look at the pending task in add to block list. So I think the add to block list should be the during the active state, yeah, which is not a necessary feature for the MVP. Okay, let me update the current task first. We have done with the find partition issue, happy path testing, test developing, yep. Hey bro, a quick question. Are you familiar with dynamic delivery module? Can we have a Java Kotlin library as dynamic delivery? I'm not sure. I didn't work with DY and delivery modules. I don't know. I don't know about that. Add to block list. Okay, now that block list input validation, I think we have done that or not. Sorry, you replied, I lagged, my net got lost. Okay, so I don't know about dynamic delivery modules, I'm sorry. Yeah. I didn't try the APIs. I have read some article, like small article, what is it and how it works, that's it. I didn't try that in a real app, so I won't be able to answer that. I'm sorry. Add to block list dialog. Blank space after timeout. That's a bug. That's a to-do. Store time. Fine. Yeah. So improve theme and style. Yeah. I just want to make sure that it works in the real app. I mean, in a real device. Currently, we are testing in the. I'm not sure either if it works in the emulator. Wait a second. Maybe we will need to put some. What do you say? A restart button there. Yeah. And also to improve the debugging, I might put some button here to clear the rules so that I can, yep. Maybe I need to, this is a bug. Blank space after timeout. Yeah. Set top priority bug. As you can see, we have some blank space coming up every time we add and clear the rules. This is happening because inside the repo, no, not repo, it should be inside root utils. Not inside, it should be inside host manager. Yeah. So every time when we add a new rule, we are actually adding a new space, at the beginning, but we are not clearing that when we remove because we have Yes, star index. Maybe we need to. Let me try that again. Let me. Let me clear all the rules. Sorry. It's a read only. Yeah. How do I make it read and writable? Where is that? Root utils. So the command is mount o rw read and write. And then we will remount the system.etc system. Yeah, now I think we can edit that file. Yes, and now the host file should be empty. Alright, that's cool. Now we will go here, delete the app, run this again. And we'll grant this. We'll start with, oh no, not 2 hours, maybe a minute or two. But this will, yeah, we need to bypass the validation somehow. So we'll search for validation, and for the time being we'll bypass this like this. Come on. 2 minutes, 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute is enough. Duration should be, oh, this should be false. False, and should be, yeah. We'll delete this and we'll open this one. Okay. No. Okay, it's a 1 minute timer. We look at the contents. Looks good. We don't have a space here. That's good. Host manager. Maybe we need to say 2 or not. No. -1. Remove range. End index is not included in the remote part. Okay, maybe we need to, yeah. Oh, it crashed. That's good. I love crashes. Negative or I say exception. Okay, we have a new follower. I'll be Doodle. Welcome to the party. Thanks for pressing that follow button. Now we have a stack trace, negative array size exception. This is purely index out of bound, I guess. But the stack trace, the name looks new. So we have this here, and we need to put a breakpoint here. All right, we need to remove rules. Let's go look at the test files. First we'll execute all these tests. All right, and we will create a new test for the probably it happened because we were editing a new file, and yep -1 yep test fun, remove the rules. Rules are removed from the correct position, so we'll create a new method called rules are removed from an empty host file. So this method will test if the rules are removed from an empty host file properly. That's what we need to test here. So the input we'll copy this. Removes the beginner increment when there is no domain. We'll copy this, we'll paste this here. Our input host file content is an empty, it's an empty file. Okay, the expected host file content, when we say the expected host file content is this. All right, that's cool. Now if I run this test, it failed for some reason. The reason is host repo. I'll be mocking that for the forget about that. We might need to fix this. I'm not sure, but we'll come back to that later. Let's try run this rule. There is a chance that it will fail, but it succeeded. Okay, now that's good. Now we will remove first we will add the rules, then remove the rules. Okay, so now we'll call we'll call this hm1, stands for host manager 1. We will create hm2 another host manager, and we will pass the expected host file content, which is the current state of that host file, and empty host file content. We'll call this applied host file content. Okay, that's a good name. Empty host file content, we'll say hm2 maybe we will move this to here to avoid the now the host manager will say let I think we should say run here, right? Yeah. And similarly, we will also call run here, and empty host file content, maybe what was that method name? Remove rules, yeah. Or let's call this clear rules. That's it. That's a good name. So now the empty host file content, empty host file content should equal input host file content, like the first stage. We will probably get that array index out of bound exception error or the -1 issue, -1. Now it's -2, but that's okay. At least we are getting that stack trace. And clear rules. So what is the output here? Like probably we won't reach here. The exception is happening inside the host manager. So yeah, the start index is -1 here. Okay, that's a red flag. That shouldn't happen there. And we need to handle that scenario, like we can't directly call start index here. And the end index is 93. Okay, now the end index, hold on a second, the host file content. Okay, the length of this string is what? How do I get the length? Is there any way I can do this without calling this? 92. Okay, now 92 is the length, so the last index is 91, so it's 93 here, so we are like 2 char out. So why is that happening? Yep, it's happening because the clear rules, the host file domain, we had a new line here in the append which we brought to the left. Yeah. Oh, it is assuming that yeah, but we need to handle both the scenarios. Yep. Either we need to Okay, if it's not in a new line, we will add the new line. Yeah, that's or we can, yeah, so we'll say this should be if star index is less than 0, star index equal to 0. Okay, now the end index, if end index greater than host file content dot length, end index is equal to host file content dot length minus 1. Right. Yeah, I don't know if it's a good fix or the best fix I can do, but this should work at least. E should equal empty. What is E here? Empty host file content. Probably some lines are missing there, so yeah, let's see end index host file content. What if I remove this? You'll get an index out of bound exception or not? That got passed. So the I don't get this. Oh, okay, now I got this. The end index is not included in the removed part. Yes. But the start index is included. Like, yeah, I got the point here. So we don't have to say +1 here because the end index is already not included. So we can simply say comment.long. Yeah, that's actually good. We can remove this maybe, and maybe also we can remove this. I don't know. But yeah, we can remove and the start index. Yep. We will try to replicate that scenario again. Okay. Yeah, not install, it's already installed. So we'll try to replicate that scenario again. The issue was happened when we hit the time limit. Yeah. Now we will try with the 1 minute time again. Yeah. And let's wait. The expected behavior is that the start button should be displayed and the timer should go away or should be hidden. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, it didn't crash, so we fixed that one. We will commit that. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's format that first. Format that first again. Now we'll call commit. Sorry. Commit fix blank line issue. And probably few of our tests may fail or all of them may fail because we change the content. Yeah, 2 of them are failed. So the removes the begin and end comment when there is no domain.
Yo.
Okay, I think our timer. Yep, we have finished our first 50 minutes. But we will start another 50. Another 50. Where's the timer? Interact. Yep. Oh, that's not expected. Yep. Okay, the input file content, let's say, is this. Okay, are we using? Yeah, we're adding a new line. Then we call trim. Okay, I think trim won't remove this. Return a subsequence of the char sequence having leading and trailing white space removed. I think the new line is not a white space. Let's search that. N is white space. Tab character new line. Oh, well, that's in C. Trim is happening on string builder. Okay, that's a good question. So we have the string builder here, which does have a low n. And how do you print that? Okay, we have a new line here. Now if I call trim on this, okay, that's a mistake we did. Yeah. So technically we are not adding a new space there. Yeah. Yep. But we should add that. Yeah. So how do we modify? We need to remove that trim. We might call trim here. Okay, trim is not needed, I guess. We can call trim, but that's not a necessary thing to do. Maybe that trim was removing our white spaces. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, we will have a new white space here and here, and when we go away we only need this one, which was already there. No, this is added by us. Okay, it should be like this. Okay, yeah. Well, that's an issue then. This is a command. This is okay. expected file content. Okay, now the issue is this is the real output, like the actual one. We have an empty line over here, then 2 at the bottom, which shouldn't happen actually. That's why we are getting some extra additional spaces there. So we need to find a way to do that, to fix that issue. We can do that. Okay, when we remove now, I think it's just the okay, we have one line removed. Again, we have another one. Yeah. That's correct. This works. If I we need this because yeah, that's why we have a lot of spaces coming in. Should be, this is the line we added. Okay, now next time we add something, we add a new line, it will be something like this. Okay, so we don't want unnecessary spaces here and there. So even after the end we want to take a line. Okay, maybe something like this, and yeah, don't need this. A lot of tests will fail, but that's okay. That's totally fine. Okay, that is failed and I succeeded. Now we will execute one by one. Okay, yeah, that's good. This one will fail. Now look at the response. Okay, let's remove all the white spaces. What are we doing here? We are removing the rules. Yeah, so some comment was there. Okay, we will remove the unnecessary white spaces from here. Will that work? Yep. Here we have the empty file test. That should also pass. Oh, which failed because let's look at the reason first. No, that's not it. Okay, why did it fail? Expectation error. That's okay. Instagram.com. Clear rules. We put the breakpoint here. I'll execute this. Oh. I think it's failing here. Is it? I don't know. Probably because of that. I don't know. Let's see. This is an interesting issue actually. Okay. Now the expected file input host file is empty. Okay, expected host file content. Alright, we have a new line there. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's forget that. And now applied host file and expected host file is different because it doesn't have a new space here, and it will be something like this. And what other kind of trims do we have? Trim indent, then trim. Yeah, that work. This will fail, but I'm not sure on which one you are going to fail here. The trim doesn't remove. Yeah, the trim doesn't remove it. Okay, now the expected host file. It's not the expected host file content, it's the applied host file content. Okay, applied has a new line here, right? Yeah. uh, we will check. Yeah, so the yeah, I think now this will succeed. Yeah, should that happen? Why do we need a white space here? Yeah, the white space, the first white space, this is a special begin optional new line. If fresh file, sorry, should be here. Oh, whoa, what happened? Hold on a second. Fresh host file content. Okay, fresh host file content dot last or null not equal to e. Okay, do we have a method called is white space? Yeah. It's okay, we'll figure that out. Last or null is white space equal to true. Nothing. Otherwise we'll put a new line. Yeah. Now we'll execute this with the applied host file does have a new line and the focus rule. Yeah, so fresh host file content, the last character equal to true. That's interesting. Another interesting one. What is the output of this last? Okay, is white space. Is that a white space? Come on. Oh, we didn't print that. Should we print? Should display, right? Oh, we need to add this, I guess. No. Okay, cache sequence is empty. No such element exception. Okay. Okay, now we'll call last or null. Is white space. Is that a white space or not? Well, we'll print that. Okay. Okay. we'll say equal to true. Is white space true? It's false. So this is now a white space. Maybe we need to put another condition here. Is empty or is blank, or so the conditions are, me format this. File is blank, ends with oh, I think should be a character, right? Yeah, you can do this. I think we can do that, right? Let's test that inside the false. How about now? Or how about this? This should return false because it doesn't end with a new line. Okay, now if I say n like this, it should be true. I think it's still building, compiling. Now it should be okay, true. That's good. Now let's try execute this. That's good, but we need to look at the test again. Okay, empty, yeah, and let's execute all the rules are inside a correct position. So we already have a white space here. We have this here, and expected host file content. We will put a breakpoint here. Let's see what happens. Oh wait, we don't have to execute the all file, we just need which one was failing? Which one? I think this one, yeah. Debug. Okay, now let's look at the debug. Expected host file content and actual host file content. We are only interested in these two. Okay, now let's copy the value and let's compare with the clipboard. Okay, it's the new line. It's the new line. So expected host file content has a new line expected there, which we didn't add. Okay, yeah, that's right, because our business logic is that if there is a blank space, we won't add anything. If there is no blank space, we will definitely add one. For example, if it's something like this, I don't know what's going to happen here. Yeah, and the output is same for the input. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, code is passed. That's a good thing. Improve host manager. Okay, I think it got committed. We'll push. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it was a good stream. We managed to improve the host file manager, as well as we have fixed the mount path issue. I think that's it for today. I'm gonna close the stream. See you sometime later.